Hi everyone, this is a quick video on how to use the Google search action in Agent.ai. So the use case is pretty straightforward. There's a term that you want to search for and you want the Google search results to come back and you want to build a little agent for that. So this is all the standard stuff around the agent. I'll go to the actions. And what I'm doing is I like to set it up in such a way that the search term is a variable rather than hard coding it. And so first step is very straightforward. Enter what you want to search for. I save that in out underscore search term. And then I am going to add action and I go to get data and then I'm doing search results. And what that then does is brings up this window. So search results, I select Google, and instead of just saying that the term is whatever I want to search and hard coding it, I'm putting it as a variable. I'm saying give me 10 results, store it in out underscore search results. Now, if I were to just use that out underscore search results and ask it to just use, present it as user output, what that then returns is something like this. So you can see in the dev console, all I have is I got the search results and then I just gave it to the output formatter and I said, hey, show that result. And so you can see it basically gives this, which just, to be fair, it's a search result and everything that came from it, it just kind of put it in here. But this is not what I want to see. And so to fix this, what I do is I basically added a step where I'm basically using the LLM to say that I'm passing you the results of a Google search. Please review this and return a formatted response that is human readable. Obviously, if you want the response in any specific way, you can tell it that. But I'm just saying give it something that's human readable. I give it the results. I store the output in search formatted. And then I'm actually outputting the search formatted as the output. This show user output activity is a dumb activity in that anything you put here is just going to pass it through. It's not doing anything. It's not like an LLM activity. And so that's something I think people get confused is all this does is whatever you give it, it's going to blindly just pass it on and display it. And so now if you do this and I run this, so here I'm running it for aerospace machine shops in California, you can now see that the results are nice and formatted. It shows me the ads, it shows me organic results, local results, related searches, all of that stuff. And if you were to go to the dev console, what you will see is that I am basically getting the search results, then passing it to the LLM. And this is then passing you the search results, and you can see that just pass the whole thing to it. And what it does is basically take it and format it and return it. Hope you like this video. Thank you. And let me know if you have any questions.